What's happening, guys? Okay, we're off again. This is a quick one-nighter, and we are heading to the Mannum Water Falls. I've had a busy day with this little race car, track car I've got. Yes, another midlife crisis. I've been working on that for an event coming up in a few weeks' time. So we'll talk about that more around the campfire. And there is another YouTube channel which I had years ago, and I've just started up again just for the motorsport stuff. But we'll talk about that around the campfire tonight. But for now, we're heading to the Mannum Water Falls. There should be a little bit of water flowing. It's not that good of waterfalls, but it's better than nothing. I was going to camp there, but it's all changed a bit in the last probably 10 or 15 years. You can't camp down the bottom anymore, so it's all fenced off. But I have got another little spot that I want to try and camp at. That's across on the Palmer Road. It's in an old dried up creek bed under an old railway bridge, and every time I drive past it looks like a great little camping spot. But for now, we're going to go and check out the Mannum Water Falls. So we better turn the camera around, show you guys what I'm looking at. And that also means it's time to start the music. Well, there we go, guys. We're going to go for a walk down here. As usual, it's always twice as steep as it looks on the camera. That's my excuse anyway. Someone said there was a little bit of water flowing, so we'll go and check it out. A little bit of flow. I believe the main part of the waterfall is straight down there. But yeah, not much flow. So the creek's called Reedy Creek. We're looking straight ahead back towards Murray Bridge. Mannum out to the left, and this will be flowing down to the Murray River. Yeah, I know I'm gasping for air. I'm getting about 5 metres at a time. Mount Everest has got nothing on this. There's me mate Clarky. G'day Clarky. Now he's had this up for sale for a while. We're going to sneak in and have a look. Don't know whether we're supposed to or not, but I love it by the looks of the photos. But I think they want about 500,000 for it. So I just need to win Cross Lotto, then we'll be right. It's got a creek bed running through it. I think it's the same river or creek, Reedy Creek, that runs down to the Mannum Water Falls that we were just at. You get a bit of land here to put in crop. I don't know how many acres it is. I didn't read the sign, but we'll probably get kicked out, but we'll go for a look and see. I can see an aerial. Oops, there's people here. Got a bloke here now, I'm going to be in the shit. How you going? Sorry, Clarky told me I could have a quick look. I'll just drive down and do a loop. Thank you. How many acres is it? How many acres is it paddock? 120. Ah, cool. Looks like a great little spot. I'll just have do a loop and go back. Thank you. Oh, he was a nice bloke. Looks like he's just got caravans down here, but there was supposed to be a shack somewhere. Oh yeah, there's the shack down below it. Little tin shed. How cool is this place? Oh, you can see the creek straight ahead there in the distance. Another bit of water in there, a little bit of a lake. I don't even know where we are. I didn't know this old church was here. Where does it say we are? Ummerfield, must be another letter missing at the front. Blumfield, Bumfield, Lumfield would it be? Pumfield? I don't know, I'm dumb. Nice old church and a hall. Lumfield, Mumfield, I don't know, we're going to have to look that one up. Got the nice old church here. Look at the nice old house in between. Cool. What's it say on the church? 1904. So this is the area I want to camp. We get a few four-wheel drivers checking the tracks out. So I don't know where I'm going to be able to get. You've got the old railway bridge to the left there. He's spinning up in his four-wheel drive. So maybe it's not such a flash idea, but we'll find somewhere. I don't think we'll go through there. The plan was I was going to go out here to the left and camp underneath, but it looks too sandy. Okay guys, we're going to give it a go. Nice little spot over there I want to camp at. Let's see what happens. Probably should let the tyres down a bit, but we're going to go down through here. Down through here, Come on, we can do this. Oh, that was easy. Nice little camping spot here. Those guys in the four-wheel drive, they don't know what they're doing. So here we are, camping spot for the night, right next to the Palmer Road. I don't know what the name of this creek is. Let's hope we don't get a downpour tonight, because I might be stuck here for a while. But nice little flat spot in there. We'll have a fire there. Got the boys over there in their four-wheel drive, making it look a lot harder than what it is. Okay guys, got the fire going. Got a little bit scared of the dark medicine over there. She's been a bit of a rushed trip, this one. As I said, I was working on my drift car this morning, and I've got to have it at Belair in the Adelaide Hills tomorrow morning, but I had to get a video out. So we're at this great little spot. It's on the Palmer Road from Murray Bridge, and it's more probably closer to Murray Bridge, definitely closer to Murray Bridge than Palmer. So at a rough guess, probably about 8 or 10 k's out of Murray Bridge on the Palmer Road. Got the old railway bridge here. So this used to come from Monarto all the way out to the Palmer silos. And I think I did say before it's probably been closed for 20 years, but it looks like it's probably been closed more like 40 years. But I drive past this a bit when I do a school run in the taxi once a week, and always thought it'd be a great little spot to camp at. So there you have it. So as I said, I was in a bit of a rush. I forgot my chair. I had to go into Bunnings and buy a chair because I went to Murray Bridge. That's where I'm working on my little car. If you are interested in the car racing side of my life, you can check out another channel which I had going about 3 or 4 years ago when I was at my drift car, and but I've changed the name of it now. My son's got a speedway car, so the name of that YouTube channel is called Mannum Motorsport Speedway and Drift. So I'll put a link to it underneath in case anyone's the slightest bit interested in what's going on there. But I've got to get the car out tomorrow morning, so it's still at Murray Bridge, so I thought I'll come and camp here for the night, and then I'll get up early in the morning and shoot back to Murray Bridge. And the track car is still registered. It's a little Nissan V35. I'll put a photo of it up here. So I'm getting that ready for an event in a few weeks time. But on the other channel we're going to do just cover all the racing, Sam's Speedway Racing. We're going to have onboard cameras and stuff, and show you what's happening. So that's the plan anyway, but I just thought I'd mention it here. But beautiful spot here. I'm going to do a bit of a cook up in a minute. I haven't brought too much. I think it's going to be toasted sandwiches in the baking dish. But there's a way I like to do them, so we'll cook them up a little bit later when we get a few coals. But as for now, I have a couple more of these scared of the dark medicines. Enjoy the view of the old bridge. Okay guys, here goes the toasted ham and cheese sandwiches with a twist. So you've probably all done this before. Put a bit of butter on the bread, stick them in upside down. Quickly get back in here. I'm being greedy. I've got 2 slices of cheese. We chuck that on there. We'll chuck 2 slices of this ham on. Move them around a bit. Yeah, how hot's that going to be? Oh, she's going a bit too fast. I knew I'd stuff it up somehow. Alright, we'll drag it off a bit. Oh. We'll chuck that up there. It's not too bad. The cheese isn't going to be melted though. I'll do another one in a minute. Now the trick, a slither of butter. Just a slither. And then a little bit of pepper. But we'll do a better one in a minute. Okay, here we go, attempt 2. A little bit hot the first time, but it was still a 6.2. So, bread with the butter on it. We chuck some cheese on there, get that heat up through there. The ham on there. Give them a bit of a wobble so they don't stick. That's better. Not burning yet. Probably take about a minute or so. Get the heat up, get the cheese melting. You got to have the cheese melted in a toasted sandwich. Back in a minute. Okay, we're getting close. Let's have another bit of a look. Yeah, browning up nicely. Always grab the bit with the cheese and put that over to the ham, because the cheese sticks to the bread a little bit. So we'll slap that on there. Oh, that's looking good. Bit hot. Just check underneath here. Oh, they're looking beautiful. Right, we'll get that up there on the plate. Okay, now for the important bit. Bit tricky here. Got the camera in one hand, I've got the torch in the same hand. Don't forget that slither of butter, just a slither. That's enough. Get the knife out the way. Obviously the dirty knife always goes back in the butter. And don't forget the sprinkle of pepper. Needs a little bit of pepper on it. Look at that. Pretty bloody good. The cheese is melting. See the melted cheese? Fantastic. Food review in a minute. Okay, so toasted sandwich food review. Just let me say, you will not get one as good as that at any cafe around the world. Bloody beautiful. Usually you get them from a cafe, the cheese is cold, they're in such a rush to cook them, get on with the next person. This one was just perfect for a toasted ham and cheese sandwich. 8.6. That's my review. Okay guys, just sitting here nice and quietly, having a couple of scare of the dark medicines, and some hoon comes up trying to scare me. Never put on Facebook where you're going. Damien, you probably can't see him too well there in the dark. My mate Damien Drendel rocked up, came flying through with his 4-wheel drive, did a couple of loops around me.
He was running for the trees.
Scared the shit out of me. I was ready for him. I'd had a couple of scared of the dark medicine, so I didn't care. I was ready.
Come out of the tree.
Okay guys, up nice and early. My GoPro's gone flat, so that's going to end this video. Just thought I'd film trying to get out of here, so let's go. Got the rocky part here, we'll get onto that, we should be okay. Got to there, up the little hill. Yes, I think. Next hard part, this hill. Oh no, she's right. We made it. That'll do guys, we'll catch you guys next week. Thanks for watching.